In today's video, we will be doing a Saint Laurent unboxing. This is something I got for my birthday and I'm very excited to share it with you. It's my first ever Saint Laurent present or anything, a luxury piece from Saint Laurent, so I'm so excited. First of all, I really like the way this paper bag is designed. Very functional and cute. Okay, first of all, this is where the receipt is stored. And from this box, and probably from the title, I think you can already tell what I got, but I love the packaging. Interesting how the ribbon is tied at the back, so it can't sit flat. But anyway, this feels like a shoelace kind of ribbon. Here is the dust bag. Comes with, I think this is a care card bag. Well, this is an SLG, which is made in Italy. A dehumidifier pack. And the more important part, what's in here? I think this is cotton. Feels quite stiff. I got for myself, for my birthday, a YSL card holder. I think this is very popular and it has been recommended by a lot of YouTubers. From watching a lot of videos, I decided that out of all the card holders, I want to get a YSL one first. And because this is my first luxury card holder, I wanted to play it safe and get it in black. So between gold hardware and silver hardware, I chose silver because I think I've seen pictures of the gold hardware tarnishing and revealing the silver part, so I might as well get silver to start off with, so hopefully the hardware won't look so old in the next few years that I use it. And it fits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments, so I think it can fit whatever I need inside. I think you can already find the price of this YSL card holder on the internet, but I can just let you know how much it costs. It costs 380 Singapore dollars and I got it from the Ion outlet. Well, that is all for this video and I hope in the future there will be other unboxing videos to come. I first have to work hard. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and see you soon.